What if you could harness the combined power of dual motors and dual batteries to elevate your biking experience to unprecedented heights? Enter the world of the best dual-motor, dual-battery e-bikes of 2024. Please note that we compiled our picks to suit different preferences and tastes, so make sure to stay tuned till the end to discover the perfect electric bike for you. Also hit that like button and do subscribe for future updates. The Ridstar Ebike Q20 Pro stands out as a versatile and powerful option for riders seeking adventure on any terrain. With its dual 1000-watt motors totaling an impressive 2000 watt, coupled with a dual 52-volt 20-ampere-hour battery setup, this e-bike offers exceptional power and range. Whether navigating city streets or conquering mountain trails, the Q20 Pro's 20x4-inch fat tires provide stability and traction, ensuring a smooth ride. Its front hydraulic shock absorber and central cushioning device enhance comfort, while the dual hydraulic brakes ensure reliable stopping power. Additionally, the Shimano 7-speed transmission offers flexibility in varying terrain. With a maximum speed of 34 miles per hour and a range of up to 75 miles in electric mode, 180 miles in assist mode, the Ridstar Ebike Q20 Pro combines performance, comfort, and style for an unparalleled riding experience. The PHILODO Jumbo all-wheel drive electric bike is a formidable choice for riders seeking power, speed, and versatility on any terrain. Boasting dual 1000-watt high-speed brushless motors and dual 48-volt 23-ampere-hour removable batteries, this e-bike offers unparalleled performance. With a maximum speed of 35 miles per hour and a range of up to 100 miles, the Jumbo ensures a thrilling and enduring ride. Its 26x4-inch all-terrain fat tires provide stability and traction, while the full suspension system, including an adjustable aluminum alloy shock absorber front fork and rear suspension, guarantees a comfortable and safe riding experience. Equipped with dual hydraulic disc brakes, this electric bike offers quick and reliable braking, ensuring rider safety in any situation. Whether cruising city streets or tackling rugged trails, the PHILODO Jumbo electric bike delivers unparalleled performance and enjoyment for riders of all levels. The Mooncool MC3 EMTB electric bike redefines off-road exploration with its impressive dual-motor performance and rugged design. Featuring upgraded dual motors peaking at 1500 watt, this e-bike effortlessly reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, propelled by a robust 150 Newton-meters of torque. Its 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires ensure superior traction on various terrains, from snow to sand to mountain trails and city roads. Equipped with front lights, reflectors, dual disc brakes, and a 7-speed gear system, it offers precision and stability for adventurous riders. The Mooncool MC3 EMTB also features a dual battery drive configuration, with a second 48-volt 15-ampere-hour removable battery providing an extended range of up to 45 miles on a single charge totaling 80 miles. With a speedy full charge time of just 5 to 8 hours, this e-bike ensures uninterrupted exploration and excitement on every ride. The Mila DK300 Max electric bike sets the bar high with its powerful dual-motor design and impressive range. With a front 1200-watt motor and a rear 1200-watt motor, totaling 2,400 watt of power, this e-bike delivers motorcycle-like acceleration and a top speed of up to 35 miles per hour, making it perfect for off-road adventures or daily commuting. Its dual large-capacity removable battery system, featuring a 48-volt, 40-ampere-hour lithium battery, provides up to 150 miles of pedal assist range or 75 miles in pure electric mode on a single charge, offering unparalleled endurance. Equipped with front and rear 4-piston hydraulic brakes and shock absorbers, including MEELOD brand components, this bike ensures safety and comfort on various terrains. With 3 working modes and a Shimano 7-speed gear system, the MEELOD DK300 Max offers versatility and performance for riders seeking an exhilarating riding experience. The Ariel Rider 52V dual-motor e-bike, also known as the Grizzly, epitomizes peak performance for electric bikes. With its 52-volt system, This e-bike offers unmatched power, speed, and efficiency compared to standard 48-volt systems. Boasting dual suspension, dual motor, and dual battery configurations, the Grizzly ensures maximum comfort and endurance for riders tackling any terrain. Equipped with geared hub motors, each rated for 1,000 watts continuous power and 1,850 watt peak power, this bike delivers exceptional acceleration and handling. With a total battery capacity of 35 ampere-hour, combining a 20 ampere-hour and 15 ampere-hour battery, the Grizzly offers an impressive range of 55 to 110 miles per charge, granting riders the freedom to explore further. Whether commuting or hitting the trails, the Ariel Rider Grizzly provides the ultimate e-bike experience for those seeking top-tier performance and versatility. So, which electric bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and updated prices. Also, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest electric bikes.